Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a little bit different and we shall show you why in a moment on the dyno. It's a lovely old Volvo. I bet you can't guess what's different about it. You're gonna like this. Go on then, explain to me what this is out of.
This is from, well, primarily I'd say it's from a T4, so a Volkswagen Transporter T4, but can also be found in other Audis. So it's a Volkswagen Audi 2.5 litre, 5-cylinder, so it's still got a lovely 5-pot.
Wop up up.
Yeah, and we might be rolling a bit of coal.
Rolling a bit of coal. Good stuff, man. How come you always bring me interesting stuff?
Because
you just want to be different. You just want to be different, don't you?
Well, life's about being different, isn't it?
It is, mate. If we were all the same, it'd be pretty boring. You excited then?
Always.
Go on then, give me a prediction. What we're going to make?
It'd be nice if it makes 140 brake.
140.
Without the button. I think with the button on, maybe between an extra 30 and 40 horse, maybe even up to 50 horse more.
Wowza.
So we'll see what happens.
Okay. That's some game. Well then, what sort of dark magic is this? He's pushed a button in the car that's telling the mechanical fuel pump to do something different, and it certainly does do something different. Check that out. Button on the dashboard, I want lots more power and I want to roll coal. Well, that is an improvement, isn't it? Ha, crazy thing. He always brings us crazy stuff. Well done, son, well done.
say it again. Life moves pretty fast.